Cancer cases are a rise among women. In our country, 1 in every 28 women has a risk of developing breast cancer, and every 8 minutes we lose a woman to cervical cancer. So, high time, ladies, pay attention to yourself. Listen to your bodies. It might be telling you early signs of cancer. Today, we will talk about ways to prevent cancer. To prevent cancer, maintain the right lifestyle, and right lifestyle will mean 4 rights. Eat right, work right, maintain the right weight, and right habits. Eating right will mean taking a low carb, low fat, high fiber diet. Take lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Cancer rates will decrease by as high as 20% if one consumes as many as 5 fresh fruits and vegetables daily. Take lot of water. Believe in water magic. You need water to flush out the toxins. Say no to processed and red meats. Both red meats and processed meats have been labeled by WHO as carcinogenic. So there is a big no to them. If you really want to take meats, you can depend more on white meats like chicken and fish. Cut down on the white poisons in your kitchen. So what are those white poisons? Cut down on your sugar, salt and refined flours. Refined carbohydrates, they are in one study was found to increase the risk of breast cancer as high as by 220%. And what is also more important is that never use the same cooking oil for reheating. In our Indian kitchens, lot of frying is done, and we generally have a tendency to use the same oil for reheating again and again. So whenever we reheat the oil, the triglycerides, they break down and they release acrolein, which is considered to be very harmful for health. Working right means being physically active. Sitting is the new smoking. So being physically active is very important. 5% of cancers are due to being physically inactive. So even if you are doing just 30 minutes of exercise daily, you cut down your risk of cancer greatly. Also, maintain the right weight. Obesity is known to be a very important risk factor for cancer, and obesity is directly linked to 13 different types of cancers, especially female cancers like uterine cancer, postmenopausal breast cancer. They are directly linked to obesity. Right habits will mean say no to tobacco and alcohol. Alcohol is related to almost 4% of cancers worldwide. If alcohol still needs to be taken, then men should cut down to no more than 2 drinks a day and ladies for no more than 1 drink a day. And also a big no to tobacco. Neither smoke, not let others smoke, because always remember smoking is bad for health. Not only first hand smoke, but also second hand smoke is bad for health. What other things you can do is avoid stress, avoid high risk behavior, and avoid exposure to environmental pollution and radiation. So avoiding stress is very important. Stress not only causes cancers, stressful lifestyle is related to various other diseases also. So whatever way you can cut down your stress, whether it is meditation or any other relaxation technique, do indulge in that, because that will cut down your risk of various diseases a lot. Similarly, you have to avoid high risk behavior. And what do we mean by avoiding high risk behavior? Practice safe sex, have limited number of sexual partners, always use protection. If at all you are using needles, always use disposable needles. Never use the same needles or do not share needles too. Avoid exposure to radiation and environmental pollution. Do not get unnecessarily medical imaging tests done unless they are prescribed by your doctor. Check for your home for indoor radon exposure, and try to invest in an air purifier. If you cannot buy an air purifier, then at least keep lot of indoor plants, the air purifying plants. They go a very long way in fighting our environmental pollution. Apart from that, you have to protect yourself from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Invest in a good sunscreen with a SPF factor of at least 30, and use the sunscreen liberally whenever you go out, even when it is cloudy. Check with your work related exposure, whether you are being exposed to environmental toxins like asbestos, etc. So that is also very important. Apart from that, ladies, always plan your future. Yes, career is important. Everybody is focusing on bigger goals, bigger professional goals nowadays, but it is very important that you get married at the right age and have the child at the right age, and do not forget to breastfeed your child. Breastfeeding is a very important protective factor against breast cancer, and the longer you breastfeed your child, the more is your protective index. Last but not the least, don't forget your shots. You have to go for vaccination. Vaccination for cervical cancer is available. Vaccination for hepatitis B is available. So never forget your shots. Ask your doctor which vaccination is recommended for you and do go for your vaccination shots. And the most important thing, screening, screening, screening. We have to catch cancers early. We have, fortunately, some of the ladies' cancers can be picked up by early screening. Don't forget your breast self-examination. Go for regular mammography. Go for regular pap smear and HPV testing. Talk to your doctor about what screening tests are advised for you. Following these simple tips will help you prevent cancer. Take care of yourself to take care of your loved ones.